Okay, my friend Richmond Adui said we should do Bobobo by DSP Kofi Sapon. So we are going to do the lesson right now. The key is B flat. As you normally do, we will go to the analysis of the song, the key, everything within the song before we play together with the song. So let's go to the board and look at how it is. So this is B flat. B flat on the second string open. We have it B, C, C sharp or D flat on the second string, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A, then B. So here is where we are doing the lesson. Have it here, B flat. Have it B flat here. B flat, this is do, so, mi, do. Then we have Fa. Then so, back to do. Then we have La here. La is La, La, do, mi, then La here. Then we have Re. That's when we play the Fa chord, we add this finger, the forefinger, to the second string. So it becomes Re. Or if you want to go to Mi, the same thing. When we learn Re, it's the same as Mi. We move a whole tone. This is a semitone, a tone. So we are moving here. So when we play two, it has become duet. That's do. We play two from the do. That is duet in the do. Re, two. You have Mi chord. Then we play two, first and third. Do, we play second and the fourth from the chord. Second string and the fourth string from the chord. But if you want duet, this is duet. This is chord. Duet. It's left with only this and the one. Then Mi, we play Fa, we play the two, these two. So, then La, we play the first two. T, this is T chord, but we play these two. Then back to Do. The same thing we have Do here. That is the third low. Do and Mi, Do, Mi. That's the low third. And we have Do and Mi high third. Do, re, mi, or do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. So either we play this or this is Do. He used both of these duets. Then Re, he played the first two, Fa and the Re. Then when he moved to Mi, So and Mi, then Fa or Fa here, you play the first two, Fa and La. You go Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La. So, La. So let's all listen to the song and do the intro so that it will not be playing and showing off or just teaching. We are all learning. So let's all play the song and do. Let's listen. Let's go back. So we are learning the basic, the chords that I want us to learn together. So you can see we are all learning. Let's go for the last time, then we all take it. So let's do the analysis. You see, so do, ti, fa, mi, re, mo. Instead of me, he didn't. Re, di, sorry, not more, di. You go re, di, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, di, do. Instead of resting the do, he rests on the D. So, ti, and so. Fa chord, he played the top note. That's what. This and this. See, that's B. Then he played Fi, so. Then he back. So, back to Fa, Re, so, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, re, do, again, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, re, do. So take your pen and paper and write something down. So two times. So he played Fa, then he added a Fi to it, because Fa, Fi, so, Fa, so, Fa, so. Before he played the so chord. Then he back. So, Fa, Re, so, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, re, do. So let's go and play together with the song and see if we've got it correct or not. So let's go. Then we go to the back. That's he played nya. So do nya ko pon. He played do re mi. Let's go, because I don't want to learn the whole thing before we play. So after the trumpet, you all go. Pick up your guitar. Do, so do again. fa, re, so. So write it. Do, fa, re, so, do, la, mi, fa, re, so, do. So write it down. Mi, do, la, fa, re, so, do, fa, re, so, do. That's the first part. Do, the la, fa, re. That's the chorus. Do, la, mi, fa, re, so. That's the chorus. Do, so, do. La. So that's all for this part. The same thing the female vocalist who is Celestine Donkor sing. So we've done the chorus. So write it down. I'm sure you can download the video and write the chorus down. Then rehearse, because I've done from the intro. So that's how it is. Let's go to the next, the other part, the solo before the other part of the song. So let's jump to that part. Solo no, just amu biem na analysis no. Nsa fa so biem. Na analysis be ya anti ase be ya adwuma mo, or you understand the lesson very well. Let's do the solo analysis here. Let's stop the song and do the analysis. When we read through, he started. Mi, fa, so, because B flat, the B, mi, fa, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re. That is 3/1. Do, ti, la, ti. So let's go. Let's take that part again. Hammer on, hammer do and T. That is T, do, T, La, T. Like slow. That's it. So then mi, do, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re. Do, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, ti, la, do, ti. Again. So let's play that two parts together. Then from the scale here. Again, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la. So, but here is hammering, not note. So, that's the first part of that scale. So, let's go. That's D. So, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, di, re, mi, fa, so. So, let's go again. Let's do that part. Ti, do, re, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, re. Sorry. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la. Ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, di, re, mi, fa, so, la, mi, so, fa. Re, do. Re, mi, mi, ti, re, do. This is what I talk about. It do, re, do in the do duet like this. Re, duet that we play only two. Mi, do, ti, re, fourth string and the second string. So then the singer comes in. So let's play together with the song so that we may know exactly what I'm talking about. That's all. So let's go to other one. Kakra. So let's stop the song. Ura Tnayenche Kakra Nadire Asa. Let's do so. That's F, E, do, B flat, E, T, so, ura, do, Tnayenche, kakra, na, de, fa, so, asa. Let's continue. Let's go to the second part. Do, fa, so, do, fa, so, do. Back to ura. So the same. Do, fa. So write it down. Re, so, do, la, so, do, fa, fa, re, so, do. So that is all. Okay. Oseye, then do, and so. Do, so, back to do, do, re, mi, fa, re, so, do. So let's do that part. So oseye, then so, oseye. Oh, let's go. Tire, amaye ho ato, so do, inti ora, Tnayenche kakra. You can play that one too, but I want the bare chords. Na, re, di, so, assign. Oseye, do, oseye. Then we move to so or so here. That is F major. You've done that. Oseye, re. So you can play re, mi, fa, or re here. Mi, this re here. Re, mi, fa, mama, back to re, mama, ye, mo, lo, oseye, so do, oseye, mama, ye, mo, nyami, oseye. Then back to inti, ora, do, so, do, Tnayenche, fa, mi, na, de, asa. So we can play tola, fa, re, so, do. But he didn't play that. You can play fa, re, so, do. So my friend Richmond Ado, that's Bobo. You requested that we should do Bobo. So if you're new on the channel, please don't forget to like the video, share for us to grow the channel. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Mr. Bani of Italy, to all of you in Bani Fidelis Bonye, but I miss our waters. Thank you, or we shall meet in the next.